I have noticed about certain companies that you work for, certain companies in the U.S., they tend to ask you certain questions to make sure you want to be a worker forever. Think about some of the things that they ask you. You've been around a long time and we want to keep our people around as long, but majority of them not really making a lot of money. So what they really saying is, we want you to be a dedicated worker. Don't want to better yourself. Don't want to start a business. Don't just punch a clock. Give us a good 40, maybe 50, sometimes 60 hours. Go home, come back again. Let us control your life at home and on the job. And we'll take care of you like we take care of our family. Which that's bullshit because they go on trips and see them overseas and they have fun. And somehow we just barely getting by. Now, all jobs are not like this. Just some of them. So it's just something to think about when you're networking with companies. Are you in their best interest or are you just a number? All right.